Congress has slammed the BJP's move to end namaz break in Assam Assembly. Congress's Danish Ali has said that our culture is big. There is competition now between Yogi Adityanath and Himanta Biswa Sarma as to who is more anti-Muslim. And in this, the Muslims of Assam and UP are suffering.
योगी आदित्यनाथ दोनों में कंपटीशन चल रहा है कि कौन ज्यादा बड़ा अपने आप को मुस्लिम विरोधी साबित करे तो उसके नंबर बढ़े। हमें मालूम है अब ये दोनों का कंपटीशन चल रहा है, उसमें असम और उत्तर प्रदेश का मुसलमान पिस रहा है।
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is tracking that story. Amit, now it's become a situation wherein the BJP is getting cornered by the opposition. One of its own allies, by the way, has also cast doubts over this particular move, has criticized this particular move. The Congress, though, is saying that now this has become a fight between the two as to who scores more points. How is this being looked at?
Right, Harshit, as far as the opposition is concerned, they are very critical of the decision taken by the Assam government, which essentially has abolished the namaz break that was given to the members of the assembly. So now you have Danish Ali, the Congress party, saying that it seems like a competition between Uttar Pradesh and Assam, between Yogi Adityanath and, Himanta Biswa Sarma, as to who is more anti-Muslim. So clearly, this is becoming another point for the opposition parties, especially Congress in specific, to attack the BJP and also try to draw parallels between Yogi Adityanath and Himanta Biswa Sarma. And in fact, this is a criticism which is not limited to coming from Congress party, but we also had a similar kind of criticism coming from Trinamool Congress, however, in a different matter because of the controversy which is going on between the Trinamool Congress and, Assam Chief Minister due to the RG Kar case and the kind of statements that were given by Mamata Banerjee. But definitely there's already attack coming from the opposition parties, and this move has also attracted strong criticism from the Congress party. And now Danish Ali trying to draw parallels between Yogi Adityanath and Himanta Biswa Sarma, saying that there's a competition going on between the two leaders as to who frames anti-Muslim policies more. Back to you.